Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Snippets, a story about paper shape. This is a story about a strange little place where two shapes of paper filled up with most space, triangles and squares, would all wait in a line to make a home at the same pattern design. Each house, like the other, also mundane, not a chimney, not a single or long window pane. Then one afternoon, after after new shapes were made, a snippet showed too, in aqua blue shape. But because Snippet had an oddly shaped top, he looked a bit different from a normal rooftop. He was very shy, but he wanted to play, so he asked the shapes, "What are you making today?" "We are making sturdy houses," announced the red square. "Asymmetrical shapes belong right over there. Because we are different, it's best we were divided. We can't just risk having our houses loop-sided." Snippet wasn't expecting to be asked to leave, and was shocked that Square was being Nabe. He could build a strong house and be a part of a pair, even though he was not like a regular square. Not wanting to argue, he walked over to the pile and noticed each shape had a distinctive style. They were all Snippets. They were just like him. Some sides were long, some shapes were slim. He was so excited by such a surprise. There were so many shapes of irregular size. "Come on," they all said. "Jump right into the pile." So Snippet dove with the bright, gleaming smile. Even though Snippet really loved the new space, he just couldn't forget the strange, tidy place. Deep down in his heart, being divided felt wrong. He just wanted to see all shapes get along. As he stood thinking, an idea came to mind. What if he went back and tried to be kind? That misguided square with the perfect physique, he could show him the beauty of being unique. When Snippet arrived, Square started to grumble. "Why are you back? You'll make our houses crumble." This was Snippet's big chance to make Square truly see all the wonderful things they could possibly be. Snippet pointed to the rooftop angle and said, "I could make a tall chimney on that green triangle." Snippet saw Square start to fill up with doubt and knew it'd be best to act it all out. So he climbed on the triangle and said, "How's this look?" Square watched carefully, but the house never shook. "It's not falling down, and it doesn't look bad. In fact, it looks great. What else can we do?" "Actually," said Snippet, "we could add some more. There's a rectangle snippet, a fancy front door. Is it okay if I ask the pile to play too?" Square happily agreed, only accepting a few, but the whole pile showed up to come over and play. And to Square's huge surprise, they had such a fun day. The houses they made had never looked so grand. It was just as wonderful as Snippet had planned. Squares, triangles, and Snippets all getting along. They made a great place where they could all belong. Long rectangles made houses that reached up so high, a pentagon-shaped rocket that could fly up in the sky, a right triangle made a red sail on the ship. It was amazing to see such a close partnership. They all learned so much from each other that day, that regardless of shape, they could happily play, and to think it was just one Snippet's kind heart, that joined them together to make such a great art. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!